Hey guys, welcome to Limitless Detailing. Today, we have a special surprise for you guys, a full interior detail. Now this Toyota Tundra has a bit over 300,000 miles and was used for interior remodeling. Because of how bad the interior of the vehicle was, we made sure to let the client know that not everything was going to be able to come off. Remember, these stains are harder and harder to remove the longer they stay on the vehicle. And remember guys, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications.
In the beginning, there was time. No room for darkness to take place. Calling for the light. In the mystery of life. Every night has come to this. On every star we'll make a wish. All my life I fought for this, a new beginning.
So the first thing we do is take out all the big items, all the trash, anything you can pick up with your hand. What we do is we also grab a Ziploc bag and everything we think is of value for the client, we put it in there. We then put the Ziploc bag in the center console so it's easy for the client to find. And this is going to make life so much easier. Once you start vacuuming, once you start extracting, if you have everything out, it's going to make everything easy.
No room for darkness to take place. Calling for the light. In the mystery of life.
Sometimes a vacuum alone just won't cut it. Here, you're gonna see us use a brush to scrub out all the dirt, all the gravel, all the little pebbles that are kind of stuck in the crevice here. This is definitely one of those tools that you need to make sure you have in your arsenal. It's one of those things that we use in every single detail. Make sure you have one. Once everything's vacuumed out, we start prepping all the surfaces so we can all-purpose clean and UV protect. Here, we see my brother using a compressor to blow out all the dirt that's been stuck on this door for who knows how long. Hands down, my brother's favorite tool, the Tornador. As you see here, he's using the Tornador along with an air compressor and all-purpose cleaner, diluted 10:1, with a brush to disintegrate, demolish, just delete any stain, grease, or dirt that's on this plastic door. And you can see why it's his favorite tool. Just it makes his life so much easier. The part everyone's been waiting for, the extraction. But before that, the prep. My brother here is using an all-purpose cleaner, same deal, diluted 10:1, and a drill brush to agitate and break down anything that's on the surface of the cloth. Guys, stay tuned. We have something very special for you guys. Slow motion. I totally just realized I could have just slowed that down with the editor. But anyways, here's some fast motion before the slow motion. chocolate milk, anybody? This is after the first pass. We did at least 4 or 5 passes, and this is using our heated Mighty extractor. The next couple of clips are going to be kind of a fast forward of our interior cleaning, mostly using our Tornador, our APC, and our brushes.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky.
Congrats, guys. You made it to the end. Here are some clips of the final product. In some areas, you'll see that some stains were unable to be removed, but that happens, guys. Remember, this is a demolition truck, and the client understood that this was a possibility.
I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan.
Thank you, guys, for joining us on our first full-length interior detail. Hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for future updates. Thanks.